The 2002 Jeep Liberty. The Jeep Liberty is quite capable off-road, one of the best in its class. Compared to the Jeep Patriot and Compass, the Liberty is more of a true Jeep with off-road prowess and bold, upright styling, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, keyless entry, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive, floor mats, rear defrost. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.